My name is Ravi Shankar, working as a junior lecturer in Government Junior College, Avanigadda, CT lecturer vocational. Today we talk about the construction management, introduction to construction management. Construction management is a systematic arrangement of planning, coordinating, controlling, directing of the various activities in a construction industry. ఈ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో వీటన్నిటిని మేనేజ్ చేసుకుంటూ సిస్టమేటిక్గా అరేంజ్ చేసుకుంటూ వర్క్ చేయడాన్ని మేనేజ్మెంట్ అంటారు. ది కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ మేనేజ్మెంట్లో ఫస్ట్ హ్యావ్ టు టాక్ అబౌట్ ది క్లాసిఫికేషన్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్స్. ఈ వర్క్స్ క్లాసిఫికేషన్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్స్ depending upon the expenditure we have to divide it into these depending upon the nature of work next, original works and repair works and repair works. Next వచ్చేసి light and heavy and industrial construction. Light heavy industrial construction. Classification, these are the classification of works. Constructions depending upon the expenditure, depending upon the nature of work, original works and repair works, light and heavy industrial constructions. తర్వాత వచ్చేసి దీంట్లో కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ వర్క్స్ మెయిన్గా లైట్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ వర్క్స్ అని మనం మెయిన్గా చేశారంటే లైట్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్, హెవీ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ అండ్ ఇండస్ట్రియల్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్గా వీటిని విభజించారు. లైట్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ అంటే చిన్న రెసిడెన్షియల్ బిల్డింగ్స్, స్కూల్స్, స్మాల్ బడ్జెట్ తోటి స్మాల్ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ తోటి చేసేవాటిని అంటే లైట్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ అని. అదేవిధంగా హెవీ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ అంటే పెద్ద ఫౌండేషన్స్ నిర్మించి మిషనరీస్, బ్రిడ్జెస్, రైల్వేస్, తర్వాత హైడ్రో ఎలక్ట్రిక్ పవర్ జనరేట్ చేసే ప్రాజెక్ట్స్, వీటన్నిటి కూడా హెవీ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ కింద. ఇండస్ట్రియల్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ అంటే ఏంటంటే ఆయిల్ రిఫైనర్స్, స్టీల్ మిల్స్, అటువంటివి కూడా ఈ ఇండస్ట్రియల్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ కింద వీటిని విభజించారు. తర్వాత వచ్చేసి అదేవిధంగా కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ టీమ్, దిస్ ఈజ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డివైడ్ దిస్ ఇంటూ వాట్ ఆర్ ది ఈ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ వర్క్స్. ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేసి లైట్, 2 హెవీ, 3 ఇండస్ట్రియల్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్. లైట్ అంటే ఈ రెసిడెన్షియల్ బిల్డింగ్స్, స్మాల్ వర్క్స్, స్కూల్స్, విలేజ్ రోడ్స్, దీస్ ఆర్ come under the light construction. Heavy construction, it comes under the very large foundations, railways, bridges, dams, irrigation projects, these are all come under the heavy projects. Industrial construction, this is the oil refineries, steel mills, these are come under the industrial construction. Construction team are the 3 members. Construction team are the 3 members. We have 1 member who have to allocate the money, financial allocation given by the owner. Next, engineer, architects, engineers, design section. We have to allot work for engineer or architect or etc. The next is builder, he comes under the contract works or other works. Another is the site engineer. He is very important for executing the work. For execution of work, site engineer is the main important. Owner, he has allocated the financial assets, financial budgets to the work allotted. Tata engineer, he is designed the works, for works, loads, bearing capacity, soils, testing reports, all are under designed by the engineer, or front elevation given by the architect. And the builder, he is the contractor, he allocates the works to the various site engineers. These are come under the construction team. These are the all are come under the construction team. Next, construction resources are the main important. Construction resources. We have see the only main important is the construction resources. Construction resources. This is main important. This is main important. This is we have to know about these resources. You have to identify it. Just briefly, 5M have to 5M. M money is 2 materials, management, machinery. These all are started with M have to material, machinery and manpower and money, materials, machinery, management, machinery and manpower. These are very important for any construction industry. First we have to invest money is the very important. Is the next materials requirement. Is management. Management is like you can look at as a brain. Management is the brain. Next, money is the blood of a person. Person who had to divide his 5M into this management is from the brain of the man brain. So you say machinery is the machinery. It is the energy. Machinery is the energy. We have very large works. We have to require machinery. Choosing machinery is the very important for in time to complete the work in target to reach the target. Manpower. This is also important. All are very important to the all are manpower. All are the very important to the any construction industry. Materials are the food. This is the food. A person who have to know about this, these are all very important to the man, human beings. This is all important for doing the work in the construction industry. Next, we have to divide the stages. We have to divide the stages of work into types. Stages of work, different stages. Concept. First, we have to idea about the work. First, we have to do the idea of the work. We have to study the doing work and site selection to select the site for material requirement or machinery or electricity or depending upon the site selection. The next designing, drawing and the estimating is the main important. Designing drawings and estimations for calling tenders or any work. We have to know about the investment of the or cost of the work. This is the construction. This is the stages. These are the construction stages. Construction stages. We have to construction stages divided into conception of idea. Conception of idea. To know the work, it is utilized for how many persons, how to utilize the work. Study and evaluation. Next is study and evaluation. To evaluate the work. Study and evaluation. Next is the site selection is very important. Site selection is the very important. Site selection. It is a bearing capacity of soil for work is sufficient or not. We have to decide the site selection depending upon the various soil. Design drawings and estimating, sir. Designing drawings, designs and drawings and estimates. Tata construction. We have to start the work with these about all resources. This is the various stages of a construction work. So next we have to two another methods, scientific methods. Scientific methods for construction management is scientific methods for construction. Scientific methods. These are the CPM. CPM is the critical path method. Critical path method. It is the activity oriented. This is activity oriented. So the PET, PERT, PET. This is the another scientific method. This is the program evaluation review technique. Program evaluation review technique. These are the two scientific methods to use the construction work. This is the CPM is the critical path method and the PET is the program evaluation review technique. CPM is activity oriented. This is the event oriented. It is the event oriented. This is the difference between the two scientific methods used in the construction management. Tata, these are also tools of the management. This is also called as scientific methods are also called as the tools of the management. These are the tools of the management. Various tools of the management. Tools of the management is Gantt bar chart. Gantt bar chart. Milestone chart. CPM and PET. These are the tools of the management. These are the various stages: conception of work, study and evaluation, site selection, design, drawing and estimations, constructions. These are the various works involved in the construction. This is about the introduction. This is the very many important are the construction resources are the very many important. We have to manage the another construction management functions. What are the functions of the construction management is very important. Functions of the construction management. What are the various construction functions of the management? Functions of management. Construction management. Functions of construction management. Functions of construction management are planning. 1. Planning. 2. Organizing. 3. Directing. 4. Controlling. 5. Coordinating. These are the various functions of the management. For any work, we have to plan the work. Then plan is how to do the work, what to do the work, when to do the work. These are the questions of the planning. Scheduling. Another is scheduling. Scheduling is the time allotment for work from starting to ending. What are the doing work? Is a timetable, railway schedule. Schedule is the where the train starts, where the train coming. These are the railway schedule. Like that, we have to in the construction management we have the work schedule. The work schedule from this time to we have to start work, that time to close. This type to this type of the work. Know about the scheduling. Organizing is also very important for any construction industry. Coordinating. This is the mutual understanding between the employees and workers. All are. Next, controlling. Controlling is the work is reached within the time or not. This is the controlling. And directing. This is the giving instructions to the workers and employees. All are involved in the directing. This is the functions of the construction management. In scheduling is the how to program. A project is completed. Program is the main important. With the construction resources and detailed schedules and the quality and quantity of the work, project is to be within the time to complete the work. This is the general of programming of work. Next, job planning is the entire project is divided into different jobs. This is the job planning. Job planning is the entire project is divided into number of jobs is called a job planning. To get how to indicate the work department or contract, job time, planning of resources, these are all coming under the job planning. Technical planning is the work, how much work is for the work. Next, layout, job layout, design and specifications, final specifications, detailed drawings and plans, and these are comes under the technical planning. Pre-tender is the before starting the work, before getting the bid, we have to start the pre-tender planning. These are comes under the drawings, time, work conditions, work quantities, all are come under this pre-tender planning. This is the only introduction to construction management. Construction management only we have to study about these topics. Just we have to first definition, construction management definition of construction management. Construction management is the systematic arrangement of, it is the systematic arrangement of various activities in the construction industry. Next, construction management definition. Next, what are the resources of construction management? Resources వచ్చేసి this is 5M. You have to know 5M is 5 materials management, machinery, materials management, machinery, manpower, money. These are all comes under the various resources of construction management. What are the principles of scientific management? What are the principles of scientific management? Scientific management, to design the project with the latest development techniques. To design the project with the latest, is technology is ongoing, upgrading fastly. We have to use the various important improvement of the techniques. To design the project with the latest development techniques. To design the project with the latest. To design the project with the latest techniques. Next, equipping the works with the most up-to-date time and labor-saving plans. Machinery is the very important. This is the very, very important for work, any work, machinery. To select the good machinery, we have to reach the work with fast, save the time also. Availability of a trained and well classified labor for the when required. Also technical and skilled and unskilled labor. Skilled labor is very important. Skilled labor is very important for doing the completing the work. Availability of trained and well classified labor. Availability of availability of well-trained labor. These are the scientific management. To design the project with the latest techniques, skilled labor availability, well-trained persons. This is about introduction of construction management. Okay, this is the introduction about the construction management. We have to discuss about tomorrow construction planning. Okay, bye.